Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Netflix error code NW-3-6. This specific error message typically signals that your device cannot connect to the Netflix servers, usually due to a local network issue. It might mean your internet connection is down, or perhaps your Wi-Fi signal is too weak. Let's start by checking your network setup and ensuring basic connectivity. One of the most effective solutions is a simple power cycle of your home network equipment. First, unplug your modem and your wireless router from the wall outlet completely. You should wait for at least 60 seconds to ensure a full reset. Then, plug your modem back in and let it fully boot up, which usually takes about 1 minute. Finally, plug in your wireless router and wait for its connection lights to stabilize before testing Netflix. Next, it's crucial to confirm that your internet connection is actually working on other devices. Open a web browser on a different computer or phone connected to the same network and visit a few popular websites. If those sites don't load, your internet service provider might be experiencing an outage. Also, if you're on Wi-Fi, try connecting your streaming device directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. This helps rule out a weak wireless signal. If the error persists after these steps, there are a couple more advanced options. You could try adjusting your device's DNS settings to a public server, like Google's at 8.8.8.8, which sometimes resolves connectivity problems. For smart TVs, a factory reset might be necessary for stubborn issues. Ultimately, if you suspect an internet service problem, contact your internet provider for assistance. Netflix's Help Center also provides more specific guidance and support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.